know what I do. Say, can you be bucket, just pass on. First one I see, he get packed on. Becky B catching alleys on backboards. I do.
Shit, robots. Definitely not equipped to fight them. I won't get far without my gear. Better find it. A drone designed for recon and materiel recovery. Might come in handy.
Oh, thank the fake baby Jesus it worked. So, you didn't mean all that about hunting me down and stuff, right? Hercule?
Not even close. You almost killed me.
It was a stun bomb. How does one teeny little stun bomb almost kill Aiden fucking Pierce?
A piece of that little stun bomb wound up lodged in my chest.
Oh, yeah, no, that's not what that's supposed to do. Look, I gotta go, but try to remember that I was the one who saved you from the torture bot, okay? That's worth something, right?
Wait, where are you?
Nice try.
Combat protocol initiated. Radiate ultrasonic blast. Overheating. Coolant function reestablished.
Need a minute to catch my breath first.
Initializing ultrasonic blast. Target hit. Ultrasonic blast charging. Target.
All right, let's go. Do your thing.
Engaging target. Powered ultrasonic blast. Ultrasonic blast. Working capacity restored.
Britain's first news network.
Power supply overheating.
That should do it.
GBB, first on the scene, first to bring you the news. Global British Broadcasting, Britain's first news network. GBB, first on the scene, first to bring you the news.
Locked. Maybe I can use the drone to find the terminal and unlock it. Get going. Well, I don't like this. How does this thing work? Bagley? Call Jackson Pierce.
No public listing for Jackson Pierce can be found on the Bloom network.
Pull it from my encrypted files. Voice, print, ID, Lena, and drop a pin. His address.
Done. Calling him now. I'm sorry, the Bloom mobile customer you've tried to reach is unavailable, and their voicemail box is full. Please try again later.
Looks like I'm doing this in person. Locked. Good sign. If I can get a look inside, maybe I can find out where he is. Warn him.
Falsifying identification. Not an official document.
Here we go. Jackson's flat. That looks like a miniature tech lab and gym equipment. Pierce family stables, I guess. Fine for protesting. I wish he'd keep his head down, but I get it. I can get in through the window. Need to find out where he went.
As mandated by the new security immigration. Any person not in possession of valid identification may be held indefinitely.
Jax! Look, I don't know who you think I am, but you better get out right now. Holy shit. Uncle Aiden. What the fuck is wrong with you? I have not seen you in what? 15 years? And then you want to break into my place?
This isn't how I wanted to do it, Jax. I'm sorry. But you're in danger.
No, not this time. I mean, you gotta send an email or a text, something. That is how you do this.
Jax, I can't. I'm sorry, but Hey?
You've been out for 12 hours, Aiden. I don't think they're coming.
Jax, you have to trust me. There are people looking for you. They are serious.
I'll be fine. Trust me, after everything with, you? Well, I made sure we knew how to handle ourselves.
Okay. Hey, can you leave a channel open at least? Anything happens, I'll be here in 3 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, fine, I'll leave a channel open. But you gotta go. That box is for you. Mom brought it over the last time, and, I don't know why. But it's your shit.
Jax.
An Albion guard requests to see something on your person. Surrender it immediately. Failure to do.
Testing. Channel open. Like I said.
Copy. Thanks, Jax.
Jackson is good, actually.
Sure, yeah. Got it.
And Aiden, if you need help with whatever's going on, there's this pub by Parliament. The owner knows your kind of people. Knows how to get stuff that's hard to get. I can tell her you're coming if you want.
How do you know this person?
From protests, I help out as a street medic. Connie. Kind of a friend of some friends.
You realize this protest stuff is a good way to get yourself killed, right? The good guy's already lost.
Yeah, well, some fights are worth losing. Look, I gotta go.
Connie Robinson. Aiden Pierce. I heard you know how to get things.
Yeah, sure. Jackson called ahead. When he told me that Aiden Pierce was coming to see me, I just thought he was being funny, but here you are. So, is the Fox looking for something specific?
The Fox. Something exotic. This.
Well, I'm stumped. What is it?
Piece of shrapnel almost killed me. I think it's part of a smartphone-activated explosive fuse. You know where I could get something like that?
Yeah, I could ask around, but off the top of my head, I've got an acquaintance who helps me import certain exotic goods. I'd start with her.
Smuggler. If anyone knows where to get bomb parts.
Dead on. I'll push a location to your optic, but Aiden, this one's a favor for Jackson. In future, you'll have to earn your own favors.
Understood.
They gon' act, but they know what I do. Say, can you be bucket, just pass on. First one I see, you get packed on. Becky B catching alleys on backboards. I do 10, I get let up the line.